the game. It's a rich thing.
Hi guys, how are you? If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Remy. Guys, today I have this DIY for you. Actually it's not new, it's an update DIY which I did before, but I asked you guys if some of you say yes, so I'm back, and this time, guess what? There are two additional products that have been added to the DIY. Okay, this is the flaxseed gel. Oh my god, it's amazing, the flaxseed gel. All right, so guys, I'm going to share with you what are the two additional products that I've put in it, that I've used for it. Guys, I'm excited for you to try it, and I want you guys to come back and let me know how it works for your hair. So guys, I will stop talking. I'll make sure I'm going to fix this hair and let you guys watch the entire process of making this gel. Listen, this is a healthy gel for your hair if you make it yourself with your own hands. Okay, okay guys, let's get into this gel, or this amazing bomb gel. Okay, so as you can see, the two additional products have been added to this updated hair gel, or sea moss and chia. I keep saying, yeah, chia seeds. Okay, so chia seed, flaxseed, and sea moss. These three products, that's all you'll need. You can get them at any supermarket by your house, near you, on Amazon. Okay, so I'm also using distilled water, not tap water. If you want to use filtered water, that's fine, but I'll just suggest you to not use tap water. Okay, I'm not gonna talk too much, but I'm just gonna let you watch this video. What I did with the CMOS, I soak it, I wash it really good, just to make sure that you take the salt out of it. Let it soak overnight. I also did the same process as I did for the first DIY. I let the flat seeds soak overnight, the chia seed overnight, so I don't have to boil it for a long time. Guys, let's say you don't even want to boil them, you can just soak them overnight and then use it as the gel, because as you can see, they were already jelly. I'm going to give you some benefits for each one of the products. So in just a few seconds, I mix everything together, except the CMOS, because I added the CMOS afterwards. Okay, so we're going to leave it for 10 minutes, then we're gonna come back and add the CMOS, and then we're gonna make our gel. Okay, you will need about 40 to 45 gram of sea moss, and 1/3 cup of flat seeds, and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Okay, look at this. The fact that I left it for a little bit longer. See the gel? You see this? And once I turn up the fire, it's going to be let's not even talk about it. Do you see this? Yeah, that's all gel. Oh, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so that's it. I am going to turn off the fire. So after it was cooled off, I trying to use a drainer to drain it, because you guys remember what happened to me the first time. I only used this type of drainer and nothing else. So this time around, I use another thing, which was cheesecloth. So you guys can use a stocking or that, because I didn't want that mess in my hair again. Look guys, I left it yesterday overnight. I put it in the fridge, and look at this. Look at this. See that glowy? It's like gel. So what I'm going to do, you see how you can see that little thing? It has a lot of little things. So you guys saw how I actually did it with the joiner, but then I don't want this to go in my hair. So I'm going to use, like I said guys, I was going to use something like that, like a stacking, but I think it's too flimsy. I think it's too flimsy. I don't know. But then I have this guys, which is a cheesecloth. Okay, this is a cheesecloth. I'm going to use that. Guys, to quickly mention a few benefits for the products, let's go with Seymour first. I know you guys heard of Seymour's, how powerful Seymour's is. It's good for your hair, it's good for your skin, it has a lot of nutrition facts, But as far as for hair, Seymour's is a great source of conditioning. It is rich in so many vitamins such as iron, zinc, calcium, and your hair needs zinc a lot and iron as well. And as for chia seed, it strengthens the hair. It adds elasticity to the hair, and flaxseed helps with reducing a lot of split ends. Amazing. Oh, I see it ripped. So no. I wanted to see the gel does it thing on its own, so I only added just a few drops of really light oil. Okay, so you can add whatever oils that you have, or you don't have to add any oil. Okay, so guys, I did this on clean hair. Okay, so I washed my hair the day before. If you've seen my last video regarding my bad experience when I got my hair burned by a hairstylist, so if you haven't seen that video, go watch it, because I was trimming my hair on dry hair, and I said I was going to trim my hair more when I wash it. So I washed my hair and I trimmed my hair a little bit more. So I also braid the hair because I wanted the hair to be lengthy, not shrink. So I braid it instead of doing the twist. Okay, obviously in that water bottle I had water. I added some leave-in conditioner. I did not add anything else because, like I said, I wanted to see the gel does it thing on its own, so I did not add anything else. But if you want to add some type of hair cream, something else, you can, because if you want your hair to be more defined, your curls to be more defined, you can do that. Also guys, trying to do this style during the day or in the morning, so your hair can air dry. You don't have to add heat, you don't have to use a blow dryer to dry the hair. So if you use a blow dryer to dry your hair, it's going to cause you some flicks. Okay, so if you don't want that, just do it during the day so you can let your hair dry naturally on its own. Or a hair dryer will be amazing. I need to get me one. Every time I say I'm going to get me one, but I need to get me one. I'm going to get me one. Okay. Yes guys, so I've done fluffing it up and give it some length again. I did this mistake again. I did this mistake from the last video and I did it again. So just learn from me, do not repeat that again. Okay, so what I did, my hair is not dry fully. The back of my hair is wet. Okay, the back of my hair is still wet. And I did it last night. And that means like I didn't use a diffuser to diffuse the hair again. So the fact that I just used the blow dryer, it kind of gave me some flakes. It gave me some flakes in my hair. I'm going to fix that. So the way to fix that is just to take some bottled water, to put some water and spray in your hair and let it, you know, and just let the flakes again turn into gel in your hair. So if I spray my hair with some water, the flakes will go away. That's how if you use a blow dryer, just use some water and spray it and then just let it dry naturally. But other than that, this is so amazing. I don't know if you remember when I cut my hair, and when I did it again, I always did that. I just did a really nice trim for my hair. As you saw from the last video, my hair story, when I just got my hair burned, when I just went natural. So if you haven't watched that video, go watch it as well. This is the second time I did after washing it. This is the how much hair that I trimmed out. So yeah, I tried a good amount, because if this is, I don't know if you can see that, I can, like, you know, shake my head because it's not stiff. It's really not stiff. It's not crunchy or hard. I really love this. I'm going to actually record a trial. I ordered a few things from Zara. I'm about to record this video right now, so this video will be on the next video. I think it'll be Tuesday. So Tuesday, today is Friday, so it'll be Tuesday. I hope you guys tune in to watch that video and see what I bought with such great deal, okay, on sale. Yes, so guys, this is it. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. It's not only, like, you know, it's make your hair looks good, but it's healthy. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share, like this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. Share this video with someone that you know have natural hair and would like to love doing things with their hands. Just share this video with them. Share with your mama, share with your sister, share with everyone, okay? And subscribe to this channel. Like I always say, have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day. I will see you in the next video. All right.